Hello and welcome to Keto Diet 101, your source for all things related to men's health and wellness. Are you struggling with erectile dysfunction? Do you want to understand the real reason why it's happening? In today's video, we'll be discussing the real reason behind erectile dysfunction and what you can do about it. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Erectile dysfunction, also known as impotence, is a common issue that affects many men at some point in their lives. This condition refers to the inability to achieve or maintain an erection that is sufficient for sexual intercourse. While there are several potential causes of erectile dysfunction, it is important to understand the real reason why it occurs. In this video, we will explore the real reason for erectile dysfunction and what you can do about it. The real reason: cardiovascular disease. One of the most common causes of erectile dysfunction is cardiovascular disease. This includes conditions such as heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure, which can restrict blood flow to the penis, making it difficult to achieve or maintain an erection. Cardiovascular disease can also lead to damage to the nerves and blood vessels in the penis, which can affect sexual function. Additionally, the same factors that contribute to the development of cardiovascular disease, such as smoking, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes, can also contribute to erectile dysfunction. These conditions can lead to the formation of plaques in the blood vessels, which can reduce blood flow to the penis and affect sexual function. How to address the real reason? Get regular checkups. The first step in addressing the real reason for erectile dysfunction is to get regular checkups with your doctor. This can help to identify any underlying health conditions that may be contributing to the problem, such as cardiovascular disease. Improve your lifestyle. Making changes to your lifestyle can help to improve your overall health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. This includes quitting smoking, eating a healthy diet, and getting regular exercise. Maintaining a healthy weight, reducing stress, and limiting alcohol consumption can also be helpful. Manage chronic health conditions. If you have a chronic health condition, such as diabetes or high blood pressure, it is important to work closely with your doctor to manage it effectively. This may involve taking medication, making changes to your diet and lifestyle, or undergoing treatment such as angioplasty or bypass surgery. Consider medications or devices. There are several medications and devices available that can help to treat erectile dysfunction, including phosphodiesterase type 5, Parade 5 inhibitors, and vacuum erection devices. These treatments can be effective, but it is important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor to determine which is the best option for you. Erectile dysfunction is a common issue that affects many men, but the real reason why it occurs is often not understood. One of the most common causes of erectile dysfunction is cardiovascular disease, which can restrict blood flow to the penis and affect sexual function. To address the real reason for erectile dysfunction, it is important to get regular checkups with your doctor, improve your lifestyle, manage chronic health conditions, and consider medications or devices if necessary. By taking these steps, you can help to ensure that you have a healthy and fulfilling sexual life. That's it for today's video on the real reason behind erectile dysfunction. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who may be struggling with the same issue. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on men's health and wellness. By addressing the real reason for erectile dysfunction, you can take control of your sexual health and improve your overall well-being. Until next time, take care of yourself and stay healthy.